Foxtrot Yankee Alpha Tower, check you're about to enter the control zone. There are two Cessnas inbound from the north, currently just over Port Perry and just south of just over Columbus and just south of Columbus. They will be your traffic to follow. Let me know when you get both of them in sight.
Hey, looking for two aircraft to follow Foxtrot Alpha.
Oshawa Tower, Cessna 172, Golf Romeo Zulu Delta with Delta.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha Tower, the first Cessna is just turning onto the mid-right downwind. The second one's just following closely behind them. They're about to turn mid-right downwind. Let me know when you get the second one in sight. You'll be number 3 following the second one.
Is the second one over Durham College for Foxtrot Alpha?
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, affirmative.
Sure, with the traffic at Foxtrot Alpha.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha Tower, thanks. Number 3, follow them.
We'll follow Foxtrot Alpha.
Foxtrot Whiskey Lima, Quebec Tower, clear to land, runway 30.
Clear to land, runway 30, Foxtrot Whiskey Lima, Quebec.
Golf Romeo Zulu Delta, Oshawa Tower.
Hey, Romeo Zulu Delta over St. Mary's Cement, 3,600 descending, we're inbound landing.
Golf Romeo Zulu Delta Tower, runway 30, wind calm, altimeter 3024, cleared straight in, report 4 mile final.
Report 4 mile final for the straight in, Romeo Zulu Delta.
Foxtrot Whiskey Lima, Victor Tower, what's your position now?
Because 5 miles, Foxtrot Whiskey Lima, Victor.
Foxtrot Whiskey Lima, Victor, roger, continue inbound, I'll have a sequence for you shortly.
Continue inbound, Foxtrot Whiskey Lima, Victor.
So downwind checks marks on both.
India Sierra Tango Tower, turn base now.
Turn base now, India Sierra Tango.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha Tower, extend the downwind. I may have to sequence you number 4 behind Cessna traffic on a 4 mile final. I'll keep you advised. So for now, just remain in the downwind.
Alright, we'll fly the downwind, and we're a little wide on the downwind as well, but we'll continue.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha Tower, right. And Foxtrot Yankee Alpha Tower, you will be indeed number 4 following Cessna traffic. They should be about your 1 o'clock position on a slant 4 mile final.
And we are with the traffic, Foxtrot Alpha will follow.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha Tower, thanks. Whiskey Lima, Victor Tower, have your visual now. Number 3 follow Cessna 172, just turning about a 1 mile final.
Have the traffic 5, Foxtrot Whiskey Lima, Victor.
Roger.
And also Tower Foxtrot Yankee Alpha is turning base with the traffic.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha Tower, roger. Whiskey Lima, Quebec Tower, exit runway 05, contact ground 118.4 now.
Alpha 05, Whiskey Lima, Victor, Quebec.
Golf India Sierra Tango Tower, wind 320 at 5, clear to land runway 30.
Clear to land runway 30, Golf India Sierra Tango.
Golf Romeo Zulu Delta Tower, check you're approaching a 5 mile final. You'll be number 4 following Cessna 152 on an extended mid-right base. Let me know when you have them in sight.
Okay, we're looking for the traffic, Romeo Zulu Delta. Oshawa Tower, Romeo Zulu Delta, I do believe I have that traffic on the mid-right base.
Romeo Zulu Delta, thanks, number 4, follow them, and they're just about to turn now at a 3 mile final.
Okay, I've got them turning final now, we'll follow Romeo Zulu Delta.
Roger. Golf India Sierra Tango Tower, continue rolling it through the runway intersection exit on Charlie. Contact ground 118.4 now.
Continue rolling exit at Charlie over to ground, India Sierra Tango.
Foxtrot Whiskey Lima, Victor Tower, traffic on the runway will be exiting at Charlie, clear to land runway 30.
Whiskey Lima, Victor.
Oshawa ground, Golf India Sierra Tango, exit 30 at Charlie.
This is Golf India Sierra Tango ground, taxi Alpha CFA.
Alpha CFA, India Sierra Tango. Good day.
Good day.